right here, we have the ECOFLOW 220 watt solar panel, bifacial foldable solar panel. This thing is huge. The ECOFLOW solar panel, user manual right here, and you got some clips right here. Oh my god. Oh, yes. This thing is massive. 220 watt foldable bifacial solar panel. ECOFLOW. Nice. It comes in this carrying case. This carrying case, you got the zipper. That's a nice zipper. It's like weather resistant zipper too. Solar panel. That is some nice quality. This thing is beefy. The ECOFLOW solar panel. Look at the details of the solar panel. That is some nice material. Cool. And then you have the cables right here. Boom. This end right here charges your ECOFLOW power bank. Nice. Very sturdy case to protect your foldable solar panel. It is big. It is powerful. Whoa. Right there. And it's foldable. It's bifacial. There's our solar panel. You open up. Boom. There we go. You open up again. Oh yeah. Boom. You open up again. Boom. Look at that. Look at that solar panel right there. Nice. There's a solar panel. It's bifacial. It can absorb power on the front or on the back. So you have more surface area for more power collection from the sun. This thing is huge. Very durable. Very well built. Bifacial foldable solar panel from ECOFLOW. This thing is a beast. You fold this up. You got a nice carrying case. You can take it wherever you want to go. Camping, hiking. When you need power from the sun, this thing delivers 220 watts of power. Boom. The ECOFLOW bifacial solar panel right here. Oh yeah.